Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys around my room for a minimal room tour. If you guys like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment video ideas in the comment section down below and subscribe to my channel while clicking the notification bell so you know when I post another video. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started into this video. As you can see, the first thing is my door. It's just a door, and then you come straight ahead and you see my dresser and mirror. This is where I take my pictures. Most of the time I just take pictures in the mirror, and then you can see my dresser. I really like this dresser, one, because it matches my bed, and two, I just like the feel of it. Feels like minimal. It adds some tone and browns types in this room, so it wouldn't just be all white. So that's what I really loved about it. And then as you can see, I have one big plant to the right. It's not that big, but it's a medium size, a nice size plant to put on my dresser. And then as you can see, I also have my 3 little plants that I actually got from IKEA on the other side, because I actually got those first and I was gonna put them on my bookshelves that you guys will see later, but I have them over there with my dresser. And as you can see, there's Walter as a baby. So that's it for that side of the room, and that is my dresser. And you guys know what goes in dressers, so I don't really need to explain that. The next thing, after you come from my dresser, you can see my bed. Like I said, this bed looks the same as the dresser. It has the same thing except for the padding in like the middle of the frame. Like, I really liked that. I haven't had a bed like this. I really like it. It makes me feel like I'm not in my old room. It just makes it way better, and plus the bed is comfortable. But as you can see, I found this bed set from I think it's called At Home. We were trying to constantly look for sets that were like in our budget type. We didn't have like $1,000 budget, but we wanted to get it for a reasonable price, and I wanted to look good and match the feel of my room. Thank God I found a set that really matches my room and the vibe I went for. It's this black and white abstract piece of art, I guess you can say. I already had those pillows you see in the back. They're just a darkish gray tone, and they kind of match the ones in the front, because the gray pillows in the front are actually that came with the bed set too. So I already had those pillows. Even with my last bed, I just got darker pillowcases, and I wanted to match it with this. It kind of matched, and I just like the whole vibe of it. So if you are looking for some bed sets, go At Home, because they have some really great ones that will match your room. Coming to the left side of my bed, I have my desk. Now, I got this desk last year for my birthday, and I needed it because, one, we were starting school back in August, and two, I just felt like I wanted to be more productive. And having a desk makes you feel more productive than doing it. I used to do my homework and stuff in the kitchen or on my bed, so having a desk is definitely a game changer. I will say sometimes I get bored at it because it's in my room, but still, I needed a desk, and so this was the right one for me. I wanted it to be light. And that is my chair. As you can see on my desk, you see a lamp that I actually got from Target. I got it in November or December. It's a really good lamp, especially if you are studying at night. And then I have the Blue Yeti microphone. If you were on my last channel, you know my granddad got me that for Christmas. I really love it. I can't wait for you guys to see the new season of my podcast. I'm rebranding my podcast, so hopefully you guys see that in the near future. And then I have my AirPods case on top of my Bible. Guys, if you are looking for a Bible, especially guys in a sense, and you are looking for like side notes in the Bible, and then this is also the NIV version, which is the New International Version. I have my Bible. Thank my granddad for that one too, because I love the Bible so much. And then you can see my remote on there. That's just for using the TV. And then to the left on my desk, I have my green smoothie that I haven't drinking up yet. It's really good though. And then I have my MacBook Air sitting on the left side of my desk. And then I have just casual things that is under my desk. There's nothing to really dive deep into those things, but those are on my desk too. As you can see on top of my desk, I have my TV. Don't worry, those cords will be out the way soon. I'm still trying to find like a thing that you can put in the middle of the TV to hide the cords, because who wants cords just hanging out? So I'm finding that, and then you can see I just have a TV. I connected my Fire Stick to it so that I can get like all the Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, Disney Plus, all of those streaming services on there. So that is my TV. I don't have cable because we decided to not get cable. As you can see beneath my desk, I have my printer. I got this actually after Christmas because that was one expense I really want to spend my money on, because when I get auditions for movies and TV shows, I had to go to the library and print my things out. So I have a script. I actually need to update the ink, but have a printer, and now I can officially print things whenever I want, how I feel like it, everything else. So I definitely recommend you to get a printer anytime. It's really useful. You can see it's sitting upon a bench that I actually got out of the living room. So don't tell my mom that, but I got it out of the living room, and it probably needs to be back in there by the time she notices. So to the left of that, I have my window. I actually don't really have any feelings for the window. I like the window because it brings in a lot of natural light. Today is a gloomy day. By the time I'm filming the B-roll, hopefully it's bright or something, but it's probably not when I film B-roll. This is just my window with blinds. I don't really have nothing to say for that, but the left of the window is something I really wanted. So I bought these shelves off of Amazon. I'll try to link all of the things that I mentioned in this video down below so you guys can go buy it. But I bought these shelves off of Amazon, and it kind of matches the other side of my room. Not really, but I still wanted to add like a darker tone into the room. So as you can see, I put a thumbtack for my masks because, you know, masks are important, and I started buying my own masks since I like different colors of masks now. So as you can see, on top of the bottom shelf, which is the longer shelf, is my band trophy. I'm not gonna share what school I went to get this trophy because I don't want you guys to find me. Just know it's a band trophy for being the most valuable baritone. To the left of that, I have a green flower. I actually had a purple flower too. They came in 2-pack, so I just bought it, but it actually broke. Then as you can see, to the left of that and the top of that, I have some books. I have A Tale of Two Cities, The Giver, and Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Those are my books I had to read throughout the years, and I actually bought Diary of a Wimpy Kid, The Long Haul, and I think I bought it at, what are those things at school that a book fair. Yeah, book fairs. And the messiest part of my room, but gonna get clean, is my closet. You can see my clothes, and then on the bottom shelf, I have different things that I need to experiment to organize and put in a clean place so that my closet doesn't look junky and bundled up. And also you see my dirty clothes basket that I have to wash down there. Also, yeah. And then as you can see right behind me, I have my audition setup. This is where I put, this is the backdrop I use for my auditions. It's perfect for me. I don't need to buy anything fancy. It works for me. So I'm glad I have this backdrop. I got this like a year ago, I want to say. Probably more than a year ago. But it works for me, and I don't need to upgrade anytime soon unless it breaks or tears, which it shouldn't even do that because it's just literally on the wall. And we're right back at my door. So that is my room tour. I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment video ideas in the comment section down below. Subscribe to my channel while clicking the notification bell so you know when I post another video. Without further ado, I'll see you guys another day. Bye guys.
Some sweet day.